Hello everyone, I am Velmurugan, Assistant Professor, Department of Data Science, Mr.P.Velmurugan College, Trichy. In today's session, I will be providing an abstract view of data structures in Python. So data structure play a major role in a Python. So it is used to organize and store a data in a memory. Python supports 4 different types of data structures. So one is called as a list, tuple, set and dictionary. These 4 data structures are grouped into 2 categories. So one is called as a mutable data structure and another thing is called as an immutable data structure. Mutable data structure means we can change the value of a data structure, and immutable means we cannot change anything inside the data structure. List, set and dictionary, these 3 data structures comes under the category of mutable data structure, and tuple is the only immutable data structure. So in a list data structure, list of elements are separated by comma and enclosed between square bracket. So this is the way to represent a list data structure in a Python. Okay, this is a syntax for a list data structure. So it is an example for the list data structure. It is an empty list. This list contains 3 values. We can perform 3 basic operations in a list. So one is called as an indexing, second thing is called as an slicing, third thing is called as an merging. So these 3 operations we can perform in a list. List elements are identified by its index. Normally the initial element is indexed as 0, next element is indexed as 1. So okay, in this example I have give 10, 1, 30, 0, 0. So index for 10 value is 0. Next we can access the elements with the help of slicing operator. In this list I have 5 elements, 10, apple, 12, 13, 14. In this given example I have used 1:2. It means it accesses the element from first index to second index. It skips the second index. So it displays the first index element apple. Like that we can access the forecoming element and background elements. We can also use a negative index. Negative index is starting from left side. And next thing is called as an updation operation. Updation means we can change the values inside list elements. Here I have to change the element from 1 to 2 to 20 to 30. Like that we can change any kind of updations. Next we can merge 2 different data structures with the help of plus operator. Here I have created my list 1, my list 2, 2 list data structures. With the help of plus operator I will merge these 2 list data structures into a new list 1. Next data structure is in a tuple. So it is an immutable data structure. Immutable means we cannot change the values inside the tuple after the creation. The elements are represented by within a parenthesis. So this is the way to create a tuple data structure. Here I have used a parenthesis, elements are separated by comma. We can also access indexing and slicing can applicable in a tuple data structure. So with the help of 3 index we can access the grapes element. Next data structure is called as a set. It is specifically designed to perform mathematical set operations like set union, set intersection, set difference and symmetric difference. So it only supports the unique element. We cannot repeat the values. The elements are enclosed between a parenthesis. Here I have created a set with the 5 elements apple, 10, orange, grapes, 20. We can perform 4 operations. One is called as an union. It combines 2 set elements, and intersection it will display the common elements from 2 sets, and difference it will give a differed element in a particular set. So next data structure is called as a dictionary data set. So it is used to store key value pair data sets. Here the elements are enclosed between curly braces. So this is a way to create a dictionary data element. Here Sandy is the key and 25 its value. John is the key and 20 is the value. So in this dictionary I have to store the username and their age. We can also perform these operations like items. It will display the values inside the dictionary element. Keys, it will show the key elements in the dictionary, and values, it only display the values in a dictionary. We can also access an element based on key. So here I have mentioned Sandy as a key, so it will return 25 as the result. That's all. So this is the overview of entire topic. Thank you.